Dream home designs for your dream home. Dream home designs are made by award-winning architects and experts who are hired to design the same. The clients who wish to make a home of their dreams can contact these professionals. The clients are generally asked for their inputs so as to know their preferences and tastes and the kind of design they are looking out for. The experts then work on these ideas and change them into a plan. The clients can have a look at the blueprint so made and can reject the things that they do not like. Generally, in designing such homes, architects prefer to only adhere to the client's ideas because they aim to fulfill the dreams of their clients and make a home consisting of every aspect of their dreams. The procedure followed generally begins with the concept to drawing the blueprint and then enjoying the dreams. Dream home designs take a longer time to work on because a lot of specific requirements are to be kept in mind by the architect. The advantage of hiring an expert for the same is that the client can get the best possible construction and also make changes in plans if they do not meet their wishes. Dream homes are very luxurious and elegantly designed. These are usually houses having abundant space, scenic views and all the modern amenities one can think of. They are generally mansions, bungalows, row houses and other such luxurious categories of homes. The provision of privacy is an important factor for such homes because the important people living in such grand houses do not like interference from neighboring areas. Hence these types of houses are generally constructed in areas having greenery and are a little away from crowded areas of the city.